Hey Crystal, it's Andy. I'm here to show you one of my sound effects for Oh My Goodness, my radio drama. So the first sound effect I'm going to show you today is a door closing. The mom closes the door after she leaves for work, so I need a sound effect for it. I got a door right here, and I'm going to just let you hear the sound of the door closing. Okay, there's a tap sound. There's two distinct hits. There's the metal part hitting the wall, and then the metal part locking into place. So I need a sound that has two distinct hits directly next to each other in order to make my sound. And so in perfect Andy fashion, I have a Magic the Gathering deck. And I'm going to use this Magic the Gathering deck to show you one of my sound effects. So how this is going to work is that I'm going to cut the deck in half. And I'm going to drop them shortly after each other. And if I do it right, it'll sound like a door is closing. Let's see if we can do this, yeah? All right. I was really close together. But the thing is with having the two decks is that you can play with it and get the kind of sound that you want. If you want a slow door close, you can do that. But if you just keep doing that, you get the tap, the tap, the tap. If you really wanted to, and you wanted to show off because you had one hand for some reason, you could do it with one hand. You cut the deck and you'd go, you like release your fingers to let the deck go. This is a little too stylish. I guess it's not necessarily what we need, but here we go. It's not as easy, but it's another way to do it. There's how I used magic cards to make it sound like a door is closing. Thank you.